All right, guys, today we're going to be making a watermelon margarita, so check it out. So today we're going to be making a flavored margarita. Now this is a watermelon margarita. Watermelons are currently in season, so I picked up some pre-sliced watermelon. I kind of cheated, but wanted to make the task a little easier. Now I had to make this puree, I'll say. So what I did was I chopped up roughly 1.5 cups of the sliced watermelon, put the 1.5 cups of the watermelon into my blender, which I just had a Nutri-Ninja. So I put it in there, blended the watermelon very well. And then I had to strain the watermelon to get any of the pulp or seeds out. It was a seedless watermelon, but just those lighter seeds, just wanted to make sure that those weren't involved either. I did not necessarily have the correct strainer for the job at hand, but I persevered anyways and just made it work. And then finally used a bar strainer to strain out and measure out my 6 ounces of watermelon. This is going to make 2 drinks. So that's how we're going to start off. So I've got my 6 ounces of watermelon that I will pour into my shaker. And I'm going to do 2 ounces of my lime juice. Now, if you saw our skinny margarita video, you'll be familiar with the fact that I am using bottled lime juice for this recipe as well. Of course, if you have the time and effort and want to squeeze your own limes, please do so. But if you missed our previous margarita recipe, be sure to check it out somewhere in this area. So now I'm going to go in with my orange liqueur. And I don't want this orange liqueur to overshadow the flavor of my watermelon. So I think I'm just going to stick with 1 ounce here. Can always add more if the taste test calls for more. And finally, I'm going to add my tequila. Similar to our skinny margarita recipe, I'm going to be using the 1800 Reposado. But use any tequila that you have on hand or you enjoy. I'm going to do 2 ounces of this. Okay, and before I give this a shake, I'm actually going to dress my glasses. I have a little bit of lime juice in this plate, and I have some pure cane sugar in this bowl. So I'm going to first dip my glass in the lime, and this will give something for the sugar to grab onto. Okay, beautiful. And I'm going to give this a good shake. Add ice to my glasses. And serve. And I did go ahead and prepare a lime and strawberry for garnish. Cheers. Ooh, that is good. Get the essence of the watermelon balanced with the lime juice and the orange liqueur. The sugar on the rim is a real treat. So we'll be making this again.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. You just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We can break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me and away.